Okay, let's continue. Okay, this one.
1. Patrick.
I woke up this morning with a really bad stomach ache. At first, I thought it was because I ate a really big dinner last night. I often have a stomach ache if I eat too much. Anyway, I took some medicine, but I don't think it's working because my stomach still feels funny. So I'm going to see the doctor tomorrow. Maybe she can give me something stronger. It's awful because if I'm sick, I can't go to my friend's concert tomorrow night.
2. Jenna.
I really hurt my arm playing tennis on Saturday. It's strange because I've been playing tennis for a long time and I've never had this problem before. I can hardly lift my arm at all. It's really sore. I've been taking aspirin for the pain and that helps a little, but if it isn't any better tomorrow, I'll go and see the sports doctor. It's annoying because we have the tennis championships this weekend. If it isn't better, I won't be able to play.
3. Kenneth.
I have a bad ear infection. It started after I went swimming last weekend. It's really painful, and I can hardly sleep at night. I often get ear infections in the summer. The doctor gave me some ear drops and some antibiotics, so it should get better in a few days. I hope my ears get better because I have to play in a band at a party next Saturday.
4. Alexis.
I came down with food poisoning 2 days ago. It was awful. I went out for dinner and ate fish. I don't think the fish was fresh because I got really sick in the middle of the night. Luckily, I had some medicine in the house because I had the same problem once before. I didn't go to the doctor. I just took the medicine, and I feel better today. Unfortunately, I probably won't go to my best friend's birthday party tonight. I still don't feel 100% well. That's life, I guess.
Okay, answer. Now, Kenneth. What is the problem of Kenneth? Kenneth has ear infection. So there's something in his ear. Okay. When did the problem start? Last weekend. Has he had this problem before? Yes, he already had the problem. Oh, has he taken anything for it? Yes. Has he seen a doctor for it? Yes. Alexis. Oh, let us have Alexis. What is the problem of Alexis? What is his health problem? Oh, food poisoning. My God. When did the problem start? 2 days ago. Has she had this problem before? Yes. Has she taken anything for it? Yes. Has she seen a doctor for it? No. Oh, she has a food poisoning. Oh my God. It's so scary. Okay, so this one. Okay, Ni? Please try. Are you careful about what you eat, Ni?
Yes.
Do you eat much junk food?
Mm, not much.
Okay. What are the health benefits of playing sport? Example, you play sports a lot. What do you think is your health benefit?
Yes.
What is your health benefit when you do sports, when you play sports?
Health benefits.
Hmm?
Um, um, is like swimming, jogging, or
Mm-hmm.
play badminton.
Yes, okay. That's it. Okay, wait me, huh? Oh my God. Okay, so this one. Next, what treatments or remedy do you follow when you have a cold? Example, you have a cold. What will you do? Ni? You will? Example, you will have a cold. What will you do first?
What the cold?
Yes.
I will stay. I will talk with my parents, and I will stay at the bed.
Okay. So, when was the last time you went to the hospital? When was the last time you went to the hospital?
I can't remember.
Okay. Next one. What are some ways to deal with stress? What are some ways to deal with stress?
To deal with stress.
Hmm?
Mm,
You will gonna, example, you are stressed. What are the ways that you will gonna do to deal with stress?
like we will listen to music
That's
and
correct.
and we surf the internet, or
Mm.
we can relax to deal with stress.
Okay, so that's it. How important is healthy lifestyle for you? How important is healthy lifestyle for you? Is it important to have healthy lifestyle? Is it important to have healthy lifestyle?
Yes.
Yes, of course it is. Have you ever realized during a dream that it is a dream? Okay.
What?
Like,
During a
like,
dream that it is a dream?
have you
What's
been
that?
able to change? Example, you were a dreaming and you think, oh, it's only a dream. It's really like it's true. Have you tried it?
Oh, I think that. Yes.
Example, we're dreaming. Oh, is it a dream? It's like it's real. Oh, like that. We do experience that thing, right? Okay. Do you think more about your health now than when you were younger? Do you think more about your health
Yes.
now
Yes.
than when you were
Yes, I do.
younger?
Yes, I do.
It is?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ngi, we don't have enough time. So teacher Ann will say bye and I will see you on Friday. Okay? Again, Friday again. Okay, thank you so much, Ngi, this afternoon.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.